Welcome to the Pets Universe. We are back with another interesting video. Can you imagine a world without animals? Nobody can, because each animal has an important role in balancing the ecosystem of the nature. Animal also can be everything for humans as true companions, so loyal workers and resources, so that the extinction of an animal causes instability in our world. Unfortunately, many animals that are on the edge of extinction. Here the list of 9 animals likely to disappear in near future. So the number 9 on our list is Bacterian Camel, our ancestor of domesticated camels that inhabit in the Gobi Desert, northwest China and South Mongolia. They have two humps rather than single hump in domestic camels. These fat-filled humps help the Bacterian camels to survive in the inhospitable Gobi Desert, but there are only less than 1,000 of Bacterian camels left in the world. They are likely to disappear from the world in the near future due to habitat loss and hunting. Now the number 8 is Bluethroated Macaw, a very rare and beautiful parrot species that are endemic to northern part of Bolivia. The blue-throated macaws are notable for their striking plumage, have turquoise blue wings and tail, blue throat and yellow underpart. Today there are only about 100 blue-throated macaw left in the world. They listed within critically engaged species. The inhabit loss is the main reason behind the rarity of blue-throated macaws. The exclusively built nest on the macaw palms. Unfortunately, the deforestation causes the decline in the number of these trees. Thus, the blue-throated macaws lost their habitat and food resources. Now the number 7 is the Hawaiian monk seal is an extremely rare marine animal that is endemic in the coastal water of Hawaiian Islands. There are only two types of monk seal in the world. One is the Hawaiian monk seal and the other is Mediterranean monk seal. Unfortunately, the Hawaiian seal monk may go extinct in near future. There are only about 200 monk seals remain in the world. Hunting and fooding limitation are the main threats faced by the Hawaiian seal. Number 6 is Californian Condor. It is a critically endangered species and largest bird of North America. Back in 1980s, the population of California condor declined to just 22 due to shooting, poisoning and habitat loss. But these large species have been reintroduced by the conservation plan from US government. So today there are 200 California condor in wild and another 160 in captivity. So the California condor are scavengers that feed on carcasses, so they are likely to affect by poisoning. The collision with powder lines in another threat by the California condors. So these threats are beyond our control but can protect the California condor in zoos. Number 5 is black rhino. It's a large species of rhinoceros that weigh up to 1.4 tons to maximum horn length of 1.5 meters. They mainly inhabit in grasslands of southwestern Africa. In the 1960s, there were 70,000 rhinos present in Africa. Today, the number declined to just 2,500. The hunting and poaching are the main threats faced by black rhinos. People mainly hunt black rhinos for lengthy horns. Number 4 is mountain gorilla. It is a large subspecies of gorilla that lives in the high mountains of Africa. It is the most endangered type of gorilla in the world. It is estimated that less than 900 mountain gorilla left today. The deforestation is the main threat faced by mountain gorillas. The rise of human population near the areas of mountain gorillas has also resulted in habitat loss and disease transformation. So the mountain gorilla can be found only in two locations: Windy National Park in Uganda and Virunga National Park in Congo. Luckily, there is a sufficient rise in the population of mountain gorilla has been found today. The credit goes to the intense gorilla conservation effort done by the wildlife authorities. So number 3 is Sumatran tiger. Is the smallest and most endangered subspecies of tiger. Today only less than 400 Sumatran tigers left in the world. As the name indicates, the Sumatran tigers are endemic to Sumatran island of Indonesia. As by 1978, the population of Sumatran tigers is estimated to be 1,000. The current decline of population is caused by deforestation and poaching. So number 2 on our list is Liberian Lynx is the most critically endangered species of cat in the world. There are only less than 400 Liberian Lynx remains in the world. The remaining Liberian lynxes are mainly inhabit in the southwestern parts of Spain. As of 1960s, the population of Liberian lynx estimated at 400, but at the end of 90s, their population has declined by 80%. The main human activities in the range of Liberian lynx result in the habit loss of species. They also hunt heavily for their valuable fur. Thankfully, the population of Liberian lynx is currently increasing by the conservation plan of Spanish national and regional administrations. Number 1 is Amur leopard. It is critically endangered species of leopard that are found mainly in Southeast Asia. They are known for their beautiful thick coat. There are only a few Amur leopards present in the world, where current population estimated at just 57. The majority of population lost back in 1970s illegal logging and forest fires. The Amur leopards are hunted heavily for the beautiful spotted coat. The low genetic variation is another main threat faced by Amur leopards, so they can't survive in environmental variation. Thus, they are more vulnerable to diseases, and it is result in extinction of these species. So I hope you will like our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. See you soon later for the next video.